Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel Bhavna's Kitchen and Living, and I just wanted to update the status of my channel because I couldn't post any video last week, and many of you have been asking, why am I not posting any videos. And for the past couple of months I have been traveling a lot, and that made it a little bit of a difficult for me to schedule even video, because when I travel I make sure that I schedule videos for you guys to watch even if I'm away from my desk. But this time I couldn't do anything because the things were a little too crazy. And the week before I actually posted one of the video from Airbnb where I showed what do I cook when I'm traveling. I prefer not to cook mostly when I'm traveling. I just rely on fast food even sometimes, but this time I was traveling with my boys, so I ended up cooking a few days while traveling, which was fun actually because I prepared myself to cook in an Airbnb. I took a lot of ready ingredients, ready packs, and then I bought some fresh ingredients from where I was traveling. Yellowstone and Montana was my last trip. Before that I went to like a Lake Tahoe and attended one of the wedding as well. So I have been actually constantly traveling, I could say that, for the past 2 months, and I want to get back to work now, but now another thing is that school is going to open soon, so I'm also busy with my boys, providing them everything that they need before the school starts. For the past month actually my house has been on renovation. Some part of my house, especially bathrooms. We have my in-laws stay with us, and we had like a bathtub in both of the bathroom, and we didn't want bathtub anymore, so we wanted to install like a walking shower so that it's easier for them to get in and out without any trouble, because now they are 72 and I just didn't want to take any risk. And so in this video I will be sharing some of the glimpse of those renovations. In this video I'm going to show you some renovation and that is done in my house. The first thing as soon as I bought the house, we knew that we have a lot of renovations to do in this house, but we went with this house because it was affordable for us, and the most important was the location. I really love the location of this place. Like, the sun every morning comes and I can practice my yoga. I have already shared all those videos, like how my backyard is, and it helps me to stay like kind of a positive, I could say that, because everything is like lively here. And so I just wanted to get this house and just renovate whatever needed. Having a lot of trouble, but slowly steadily we are able to do some of the stuff. So most of the time I hire local people, and buy all the stuff on my own. I find the website or the store, like a wholesale store or something around my city, and then just hire the people to do the job. So obviously this was not the best time to renovate because of the fact that the things are very expensive right now, but I was able to get the people that I know, and they were ready to do the job for me, and the material wasn't like that expensive either as well. So I decided to go ahead and renovate the bathrooms. Earlier I shared my kitchen renovation video. Before that actually we did the flooring. There was a carpet all over the house, and I hate carpets because they get dirty so easily and it is so hard to keep up with, and cleaning, especially like steam cleaning and all that, it was like headache for me. So I wanted the hardwood floor, which we did. That was the first thing. After that I did the kitchen, a little bit of a living area as well, and just recently the bathrooms. So I'm gonna give you the glimpse of that just in a bit. Earlier I shared my complete video of a kitchen renovation, and at this time I'm going to share the bathroom renovations. So let's get started. So in this video I'm going to share before and after bathroom renovation. Just like my kitchen, again I found somebody locally from here, and so I ordered everything on my own, starting from vanity to shower door, tiles, like a flooring, tiles and everything. So I ordered everything on my own, and the guy is going to help me install everything. And here is how the old bathroom looks like. The purpose of renovating this bathroom is to remove the bathtub and install walk-in shower. To protect the floor, we put the paper with the tape to secure. And so far, this is how much done for this bathroom. Temporarily, I'm using a curtain until glass door is installed. I am loving the pebbles textured flooring into the walk-in shower. Here is the another bathroom. This is before. This is going to get renovated exactly the same way the other bathroom. We're gonna remove the bathtub and install walk-in shower and change vanity, floor, and everything. We have 2 full baths into this house, and here is how much done in this bathroom. Half of the vanity is done, a lot more has to be done, yet the shower door needs to be installed in this bathroom as well. So waiting on someone to come and do that. So hopefully that happens soon. Friends, look at the mess in my living room. I had to empty out all the rooms and the bathroom because my rooms are going to be painted as well. So I removed all the stuff from the bathroom and the rooms and moved into the living room. You guys already know that renovating house is not a fun at all, especially when you are already living into the house. So here is my living room, totally messy, and here is my husband's workshop where he has been building all the cabinets and everything that needed for the bathroom and the rooms. Then we decided to paint bedroom as well, so cleaned up a little bit. I opted for lavender kind of a shade for the paint, and I really love the way it looks right now. For the bathroom, we chose Bora Bora Shore paint shade, and I really love the color. Look at how fresh it looks. For the other bathroom, my son just wanted the white, so we went ahead and painted the other bathroom white. This is my in-laws room. And also I'm going to keep on posting more videos. It's just that I couldn't post any video last week, but that doesn't mean that I'm not going to post videos anymore. But now on, I am planning to just go live more because I'm not able to work much. My fingers starts hurting as soon as I start working, and so I decided that I'll be doing mostly like a live cooking, which will be, you know, like a more natural, and you guys will get to enjoy like what I do like on a daily basis anyway. And that will help you actually to get into the kitchen and cook real food, instead of like, you know, a lot of time we watch a lot of cooking videos but we end up cooking nothing, you know. But when you watch my cooking videos, you will always get inspired to cook, because they are like a really cooking that we actually eat on a daily basis. It's not like something that I prepare and just trash it. It's not like that, right? So it's a family food that I cook every single day, and that's what you see on my channel. So and a lot of you have been asking like how do I pack traveling, cooking ingredients. I'm going to specially make one video for that, like what you can pack, especially if you are vegetarian. You just rely on a lot of you know, vegetarian food, which is hard to find when you are traveling. So a lot of time I end up cooking like a you know, little bit of a food. I don't cook you know, elaborate meal or something. It just, I try to keep it simple, so that even if I'm tired after the long day of hike or whatever it could be for that day, I just come to the Airbnb or the apartment that we rent, and then just quickly cook something. You know, it's just try to you know, try to get something that you can whip up in about under 15 minutes, or maybe, you know, the max 30 minutes, because you don't want to take a lot of time for cooking when you are traveling. So there will be a lot of videos as well about cooking, like a shortcut cooking. So those are the things that you can use when traveling. Maybe for your daily cooking you may not be able to you know, or you may be, because if you are working, if you're a full-time working person, if you're looking for some quick recipes to whip up in under 15 minutes, yes, of course you can use that. Because most of the time, if you are looking for the taste and the texture, flavors, everything in your recipes, then sometimes we have to rely on some ready ingredients, like especially the spices. The blend of spices that I buy for a ready mix is like from Rosoi Magic, and I will share when I share the video actually, so you will get to see what to buy from Indian grocery when you visit Indian grocery, and so you can prepare the meals quickly. So you know, as you can see, a lot has been going on top of that, I am having trouble with my hormones change and, like, you know, mood swing and all that. I'm just trying to understand myself so that I don't trouble other people around me. You know what happened when after like 40, you know, these are the things that starts happening with your life. And so I'm trying to not to be like a typical woman. I'm trying to be, you know, like kind of a positive, and trying to accept the changes. So yeah, so these are some of the things that I have been going through lately, and so I decided that I just want to talk with you all and take your opinion as well. Just feel free to advise me on, like, you know, like a hormone change, you know, after 40 and all that. This was a really nice talk with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, like, and please do like and comment below, like, what would you like to see next on my channel. Obviously, as I said, I'm gonna do more live cooking, and then some of the travel video cooking and all that. So please feel free to comment below saying what would you like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. You can visit my website bhavanasskitchen.com. You can download Bhavana's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.